Another important part of the maintenance for the autoclave is to replace the door seal. That should be replaced at least once a year or about every 500 cycles. If it's a very busy practice, you can replace it probably every 6 months. Otherwise, once a year on the annual maintenance will be sufficient. To replace the gasket, gently pull it off, start at one end and pull it out completely. Take a cloth, wipe down the surface, make it nice and clean. Take the new door gasket, wet it either with tap water or with distilled water. Bring it back and you'll have little tabs in here. Just line it up with the 12 position, 6 o'clock position, and the 3 and 9 o'clock position, and start there. And then even out the pressure everywhere else. Go over it at least one extra time to make sure it's properly and fully inserted and evenly spaced. You're good for another year.